it's a little slippery over here. Oh shit! Oh! My mom, I can ball my fist all I want. What are you gonna do?
Bro,
what are you gonna do, nigga? What are you gonna do, nigga? Sometimes it wouldn't work. Like when I was in Florida.
Try to pass the.
Huh?
How was that?
You heard that, right?
Yeah.
What type?
13.
The what? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
You cheated Robbie, man. No cap.
Banghhalang.
Yeah, Black Robbie.
Banghhalang.
Why you keep fucking?
Banghhalang, you're doing thing with your RB, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going around, whatever, I don't know what this place is called, but I'm going around here, and I'm going to different stores, and I have a little air horn, and I'm basically air horning people, and I have a few clips from yesterday of me walking up to people and asking people if they were with my girlfriend last night, and yeah, it got heated. So make sure you stay tuned, hit the like button, Banghhalang, subscribe, boy, don't count.
Table for two?
Yeah, table for two. So I'm trying to get to Garden State Plaza.
Okay.
You know how to get there?
It's just a straight down. Like you just gotta go down. That was
you?
That was you.
Nah, that was you.
Just go straight down, okay?
Go that way?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Oh.
Can you stop, please?
You stop.
Seriously.
Y'all sell meat here? Y'all sell meat? Meat. Yeah. Huh? Huh?
What kind of meat?
Meat.
What kind of meat?
Y'all sell meat?
This is what you mean. Yes,
Huh?
everything meat.
Huh? Meat?
What kind of meat?
Huh?
What kind of meat?
Meat, like boss head?
Oh, hey?
Boss head, yeah.
No. It's for the belly.
Where?
For the belly.
All right, thank you.
Over there.
Over there? All right, thank you. Hold on a second. Yo, you look familiar.
Me?
Yeah.
What happened?
You know a girl named Clarissa?
Yo, is that?
Bro, cause she showed me a picture of you, and bro, she said she was with you last night, bro.
That was what she look like?
Bro, what do you mean, bro? You know what she looks like, bro.
That was a little.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are y'all giving to the dads for, bro? I should fuck you up right now, right?
She said we were just studying.
What do you mean y'all was just studying?
Summer classes, man.
Exactly. It's hard.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? She said.
Bro, nah, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Do you know who she is? Yes or no? Be 100% honest, bro.
Do I know?
What do you mean, I can ball my fist all I want. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, nigga? What are you gonna do, nigga? Yo, is there a way we get like it's a little slippery over here.
See any security?
You said what?
When I see any security, I'll let them know.
Y'all should tell people to be careful. It's slippery. Yeah, it's a little slippery over here. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
What was the name?
Jonathan. Oh, come back.
No, we don't got Jonathan.
Huh? That shit hurt.
Go. That shit.
What'd you say?
That shit hurt.
What'd you say?
No, we don't got Jonathan.
You don't got a what? What? What?
I saw the camera before you came.
You did? See what? What camera? Nah, he's playing with Legos. What? Here's Chipotle? Oh. I'm not, yeah, I ran out. This is awkward.
No, that was funny though. That was funny.
Wait. I know you. You was with my girl yesterday, bro. You was with my girlfriend yesterday, bro. Yes, you was, bro. You was with my girlfriend, bro. Clarissa? She showed me a picture of you. Yes, she did. She showed me a picture of you, bro. You're with him? Oh, that's your sister? What are you doing? You have a whole girlfriend or a wife, and then I don't understand. You said what? Hi, I bought a Roku yesterday, and I've been trying to connect it to my for some reason I have like this electronic cat, and like it projects a sound onto the wall, like the light, it's like a projector, right. But it's a cat and it walks around and stuff. I tried connecting it yesterday, and sometimes it wouldn't work. Like when I was in Florida.
Try to pass the.
Huh?
How was that?
You heard that, right?
Yeah, of course I heard it.
Bro. Was that?
Can I not hear it?
That was you?
Oh, no, it wasn't me.
It had to be you, bro.
No, it wasn't him.
There's no way it wasn't you.
It could be him. It's all right. Knock yourself out.
You sure? Oh yeah, I was gonna pay for
No, I gotta get another one of these.
Oh.
This is empty. I don't think you want empty.
This is display.
I'm trying to see what.
Oh, what is that, Ben?
Cool, I like that. Rob, I need to come up front. I need a Roku Ultra.
You said who?
Rob. The guy that's gonna
The Rob. His name is Rob. Yeah, that's a cool name. I would love to have the name Rob.
Yeah, it's the HD 4K HDR. It's cute. Yeah, I wish it was me, but it's not.
Is it you?
No, man. There's something in there.
No, it's him, but don't worry about it.
It's him?
It's not me. It's not this.
You said it was him.
I said it was him.
Oh.
God, are you done with it?
There's some. No, it's not in there. I thought.
No, this is empty.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I can see from that far.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up, Rob?
What's going on?
What's up?
Ultra. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't do it. What did you buy?
That's Rob, bro. It was definitely Rob. It was. You can go. Yeah, go ahead. All right. Huh?
I work with phones.
Oh, okay. All right. I was gonna say, I've been trying to look for an iPhone. Right? So, do they sell those here?
Yeah.
What type?
The 13.
The what? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm up and wait.
Huh? I don't know. That shit was weird.
Damn. Bass booming, bass booming, shit booming, right? Yeah, it really is. Yeah.